So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the hidden black frames in the Premiere Pro timeline. Now, for example, if you see with the bare naked eyes, you'll notice that this timeline does not contain any black frames. Now, in order to find actual black frames, just simply use your arrow keys up and down. Now, if I start pressing the up arrow keys, you'll notice that it has started to jump between the clips. Now again, if I press over there and then again over there, and you'll notice that if I press it again, a delay is over there. That means there might be some gap in between these frames. So if I zoom in there, and you'll notice that there's actually some gap. So connect it together right there, so that will remove any black frames in between of the video clips. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.